Very good afternoon and namaskar. Today in this video, teaching of method English will take place. As we know, lot of response comes to me that there is an urgent need for more informations in this subject. So coming directly to the point, being a teacher of English, you all were attached with the discipline that before going to class, one day before, you have planned a lesson, you have drawn a teaching point, and the topic decided was a language. So now in this video, we will drill the topic, the basic function of the language. You all know the language have a very important paradigm in providing the informations and the expressions. Informations we give through orally. Right now I am giving you the information orally. The information we give through the written form, as in the morning we read the newspaper. The expressive form of the language is also very important. Suppose if I want to express my emotions, my feelings, my thought, there must be a language. So language play a very dynamic role in situ and the ex situ. In situ, that is inside the classroom, where teacher and the students are the two cross players. They are interacting with each other. The students getting the knowledge from the teachers, teachers imparting the concepts to the students, whereas the limited areas of the language were seen inside the classroom. But outside the classroom, the teacher is associated with the society in some different way. The students were interacted with the societies in different way, and one student, the other students, or the group of the students interacting with each other by telling their stories, expressing their feelings, and so on. So there is a concept of multilingualism exists. This when one student's responding to his friend in their own regional languages, when he respond to the language which he learned from the schools or some other free flow languages. So the multilingualism come inside the different part of the country because of the transfer or the migrations of the different ethnic groups. While coming to India, in India there is about nearly listed 165 to 1652 mother tongues were friendly flowing across the India. The classified language is about 193, and there is 18 official languages which were spoken to the different officers of different state in India. In India, the official language is Hindi, but the de facto official language is English. English is used in India for the communications, for the government works, either for business or for educations. You see, in the government school, the mode of transmission is by the regional languages, where in the private schools, English play a very important role in transferring their communications. But while coming to the tertiary sector of the educations, we see the subject is transformed to the English. So because of the scarcity of teachers in the higher educations, the lot of textbooks are coming in the language English instead of Hindi or others. So in the next video, I will explain about the type of multilingualism. You should work on the basic function of the language. If there is any problem, you just write to me on my WhatsApp number 9430510473. Thank you very much and Namaskar.